I'm honored today to introduce the President of the United States, Joe Biden.
Enphase first commercialized the component that converts solar energy into electricity. They invented a thing called a solar microinverter.
President Biden, we sincerely appreciate you taking the time today to visit our manufacturing operations here in South Carolina. Enphase was founded in 2006 with the purpose of advancing a sustainable future for all. We are the world's leading supplier of microinverter-based solar and battery systems. Today, if you see a home in the US with solar panels on it, there is a very good chance that it already has Enphase microinverters in it.
Today, they're shipping their first microinverters made in America.